Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be trying some Oreos. So here's the story with these. Whoops, are these upside down? No, they're not. It's just backwards because I'm looking at it backwards. Anyway, so I saw these at the store, at the grocery store. I don't know, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that. And I thought, wow, that sounds kind of cool and interesting, but I didn't want a big pack of 40 Oreos or 30 Oreos, whatever's in there. So I thought, whatever, not a big deal. I don't have to try everything in the world. But today, I was at the gas station, and it just so happens I used the pump, and I had to go in because there was no receipt paper. I usually don't go in or don't have to go in, so occasionally I will go in anyway to get a receipt, or I'll pay inside, but in this case, I just wanted to be on my way, but there's no paper. I need my receipts. I do pay off or write off my gas for my taxes, so I needed that receipt. So I went inside to get the receipt, and the guy behind the counter was eating a pack of these Oreos. And I said, hey, how are those? You know, I saw them at the store, didn't want to get a big pack. And he's like, oh, dude, you got to try them. They're awesome. You know, so I'm like, 20-year-old kid. And he said, we sell them here in the small packs. I'm like, oh, cool. So I grabbed one. So there you go. I was able to get the small pack, so I could just try them. So these are Oreo Space Dunk. There's 4 cookies in here, 290 calories for 4 cookies. Yeah, per pack. So it says there's 5 galactic designs. So the actual cookies come in a couple different designs. Cosmic Cream with popping candy, limited edition. So the whole gimmick here is that this has basically Pop Rocks in it. So what is an Oreo with Pop Rocks going to taste like? I don't know. We're going to find out in a second. So let's break this open. Try it out. All right. So each one, put this off to the side here. Each one of these, again, there's 5 different designs. I don't really care what my Oreo design is. Sorry, there's a shadow in here. This one looks like maybe a shooting star. But anyway, there's blue and red cream, right? Blue and red together to make it cosmic-y, I guess, out of space. All right, so actually, let me see if I can split this apart. Take a look at the inside. Yes, we can. So, pinkish red on one side, blue on the other. Let's give it a go. That's kind of weird. Let me hear that. Definitely some Pop Rocky action. Wow, there's a lot of it in there. That's actually really cool. I used to love Pop Rocks when I was a kid. It's an interesting sensation. Yeah, you know what's interesting is that the Oreo, it kind of tastes, it tastes a little bit like an off-brand Oreo. When I was growing up, we had Hydrox. Hydrox was the poor kid's Oreo. Nothing wrong with it. It was chocolate, it was cream, it tasted fine. But yeah, I don't know why. Maybe it's just a mental thing because the cream's not white, but it doesn't taste like a real Oreo, or Oreo brand cookie, I should say. But yeah, I mean, chocolate cookie, it has a vanilla cream flavor, and it's still going. The Pop Rocks are still going. That's actually pretty cool. So I'm going to, well, let's take another bite. So you're chewing up, nothing's going on. Then all of a sudden, pop, 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 pop. Can you hear that? Let's see if I just lick the cream off. I'm going to spread it around a little bit. It's maybe a little gross. Don't look if you don't like gross stuff. Can you hear it? It's definitely happening. It's all over the mouth, the throat. If you never had Pop Rocks before, you have no idea what I'm talking about. But it's a little popping, crackling sensation. I mean, you hear it, you feel it in your mouth. It's cool. It's a cool sensation, especially if you're a little kid. If you're an adult just on the way to work, I don't know. Maybe that's a fun treat to you. Maybe not. Yeah. So it has a cool gimmick. Do I want Pop Rocks in my Oreos? No, no I don't, not at all. I mean, you can put it in any candy and it makes the candy more fun and exciting, but it's like, it's nostalgia for me, that's all it is. It's bringing me back when I was a kid and I used to eat the Pop Rocks, it was fun. Is it doing anything for the cookie? No, it's just a pure gimmick. If you have kids that never had Pop Rocks before, or if you're an adult and you never had Pop Rocks before, it's definitely an experience. If you happen to love Oreos, it makes sense, try it out. I can see why it's a limited time only thing though, because this is not something like every time I want Oreos, I want Pop Rocks in it. You know what I mean? It is interesting though, because you can't really see it. Pop Rocks looks like crushed, you know, crushed lollipop or something, you know, crushed candy bits. Yeah, I mean, you can't, maybe because the Pop Rocks are pink or red or whatever, but you can't really see them. At least I can't see them very well. So it's just mixed in with the cream. That's all. Kind of cool though. It's interesting. So the one side is the regular Oreo with the logo, with the satanic thing on it. Have you ever seen the Oreo thing? Let's see, try to get good lighting. Isn't there a satanic symbol in there? I don't know. Right above where it says Oreo, that cross thing. And then the back here, this is the same shooting star. So I'm not sure about the other designs. Let's grab another one. Didn't it say 5 unique designs? 5 galactic designs. Okay. Let's grab another one here. This one's falling apart. Alright, this has a different design on it. Totally not centered at all. I'm not sure what this even is. But there you go. Oh, it's a space helmet. Okay. Yeah, a little astronaut helmet, I guess. Anyway, that's it. Oreos with Pop Rocks and the cream. Cool. I get it. It's a cool gimmick. I dig it. So let me know in the comment section. Have you had these? What do you think of them? More importantly, have you had Pop Rocks? If you've never had Pop Rocks, you have to go try them immediately. I don't know if you could just find them at the gas station. Some gas stations might have it by candy. If you have like a Five Below, maybe some of the dollar stores have them. You know, I don't know if you guys can recommend another place that has Pop Rocks. Maybe like a CVS or Rite Aid or some kind of pharmacy or something might have it, at Walgreens. But yeah, check out the candy sections and all those mentioned places and immediately get some Pop Rocks and tell me what you think of them. It's an interesting experience for sure. So, yes. And also, well, no, I can't. I was gonna say, if you're an adult, there's something you could do with the Pop Rocks with your significant other. That's another experience. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.